What's the long-term financial benefit to owning a home? Well, a recent study found that a typical homeowner's net worth is 40 times greater than that of a renter. Consider this: between 2012 and 2022, the average homeowner gained $190,000 in home equity. That's $19,000 a year just by owning a home. So while there is a hurdle to coming up with that initial investment, and sometimes a mortgage payment may be more than a rent payment depending on what and where you're buying, there is some long-term benefit to consider. If you have any questions about homeownership or how to buy a home, let us know. And if you have any other questions you'd like us to answer, we're happy to do that in a future video, or you can DM us or give us a call. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California.